So the topic is function overloading. Let's see what is function overloading. Suppose we have to perform one task. Let's say to display various different types of values. We have to display various different types of values. For example, string, int, double, boolean, etc. And suppose we are given a programming language called as C programming language, which is not an object-oriented programming language. So what we'll do, it's very simple. We'll write different functions. Say void string display. And since you know that in C programming, string means character pointer. So character pointer. And we'll write some logic to display that PTR. And like this string display, we'll write 3 more functions. So this is string int. Int k, display k. This is string double. Double d, display d. String, sorry. Yeah. Int display, argument int, double display, argument double, and finally boolean display, argument boolean, display b. So in C programming language, based on the requirement, we have to define 4 functions. We have to define 4 functions: string display, int display, double display, boolean display, and we have to take respective arguments like here string, here int, here double, and here boolean. Okay, now here this program will work, not a problem. But only one drawback of this is user will have to remember 4 different names. User of this code will have to remember 4 different names. So what is done in most of the object-oriented programming languages like C#, C++, Java, etc. is the facility has been given where we can define, let's say we are in Java now. So let's talk about Java. We can define 4 different functions, obviously, but with the same name. 4 different functions, but with the same name. And obviously, parameter or argument will be different. So here double B, D. Here boolean B, and here B. So you can see we can define 4 functions with the same name, obviously with the different arguments. This is called as function overloading. This concept is known as function overloading, where we can define more than one functions with the same name but with the different parameters or arguments. This concept is known as function overloading. What's the advantage? User of this code needs to remember only one name, that is display. and then whichever type he passes, as per that function gets called. Okay, so this is the concept of function overloading. Thank you.